Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Reaction Guru. We are going to react on a song which is from Turkey. So let's get to start the video, and if you are coming for the first time,
do subscribe
and support us. Okay.
What kind of... We have recently reacted on a music video that was I guess marriage ceremony?
Yes.
The traditional song. These are the famous Turkish instruments.
I'm
Impressive. I don't know what you call it in Turkish. Instrument. Guitar.
İki keklik bir kayada ötüyor.
Ötmede keklik derdim bana yetiyor, aman aman yetiyor.
You can't pronounce that.
Yes, I can't.
Keklik derdim bana yetiyor, aman aman yetiyor. Annesine kara haber gidiyor.
Yazması oyalı, konurası boyalı.
Maşallah. She's very good.
Benim aman aman yar benim. Uzun
Variety of voices to hear.
yar boynuma sar benim aman aman sar benim. İki keklik bir dereden su içer. Dertle de keklik dertsizlere dert açar, aman aman
So many singers.
dert
Singer.
açar.
Variety of musicians in here.
Dertli de keklik dertsizlere dert açar, aman aman dert açar.
Buna yanık sevda derler, ez geçer.
Yazması oyalı, kundurası boyalı yar benim aman aman yar benim. Uzun da geceler yar boynuma sar benim aman aman
The flute boy.
sar benim.
Uma. We had to see these pretty cats in the song as well. And Bharat Firat.
İki keklik bir kayada yaslanır.
Tekede bıçak gümüş kından aslanır, aman aman
Hello, Iran.
Tekede bıçak gümüş kından
Persian guy.
aslanır, aman aman aslanır.
Bir gün olur deli de gönül uslanır.
Yazması oyalı, kundurası
Names
with my brain.
boyalı yar benim aman aman yar benim. Uzun da geceler yar boynuma sar benim
was something really special, and I know we couldn't understand the lyrics, but the concept of the music was so good. We have to
We
see-
have just seen the different singers and the culture behind
Yes,
landscape
from different
sceneries.
regions of Turkey,
yeah.
yes, and there was an Iranian guy as well, and different instruments. I don't know what you people call those instruments, but they sound pretty sweet in hearing.
Yeah, they have some kind of sweet tune in their
Yes.
music that just get in
Bless
our
the
heads.
ears.
Yes, so this is the first time we have seen the Turkish girls. Apart from that, your dramas or serials
Yes,
are
the
troll.
Turkish.
Yes, so we have just
Singers.
seen your singers. They are pretty, and male also. They are also pretty. Hopefully you like the video, and do recommend us more videos so we can react more, and try to recommend different types of videos. So
We'll try the best one.
yes,
For
so
you.
that's it for today, and we'll come up shortly with another video. So take care and Allah
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.